In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a PDF to Claude AI. Whether you want Claude to summarize a document, help you analyze a report, or extract specific information from a file, being able to upload a PDF is the first step. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along the first time without any confusion. First, make sure you're on a Claude chat screen where you can type a message. You should see the chat bar along the bottom of the page where you normally enter your prompts or questions. That's where the upload option lives. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of that chat bar. You'll see a small plus icon, usually shown as a simple plus or plus symbol. This icon is your gateway to attaching files, including PDFs, to your conversation. Go ahead and click that plus icon. As soon as you do, a file browser window from your device should open. This is the same kind of window you see when you go to open or save a file in other applications, and it will show your folders, drives, and recent files. From here, navigate to the location where your PDF is stored. That might be your downloads folder, your desktop, a documents folder, or a custom folder you've created for your project. If you're not sure where your file is, you can usually use the search bar in the file browser to type part of the file name and find it quickly. Once you've located your PDF, click on it once to select it. Take a moment to double check that it's the correct file, especially if you have several PDFs with similar names. And this is important if you're working with sensitive or private information, because you'll want to be sure you're only uploading the document you actually intend to share with Claude. After you've selected the right PDF, look for the button labeled Open in your file browser window. This button is commonly found at the bottom right corner of the window. Click Open to confirm your choice and attach the file to Claude. When you do this, you should see the PDF appear just above the chat bar or in a small attachment area, indicating that it's now ready to be sent. If you change your mind, you can usually remove it before sending by clicking a small X or remove icon next to the file name. At this point, you can type a message to tell Claude what you want done with the PDF. For example, you might write something like, "Please summarize this document. Help me find key points about a specific topic in this file," or "Explain the main arguments in simple terms." Giving clear instructions helps Claude respond in the most useful way. Finally, press Enter or click the Send button to submit both your message and the attached PDF. Claude will then process the file and respond based on your request. And that's all there is to it. Click the plus icon in the bottom left of the chat bar, select your PDF from your device, click Open, add any instructions you'd like, and send. Once you've done it once or twice, uploading PDFs to Claude AI will feel quick and effortless.